Welcome to my game development stream. As always, I first start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds, one command in the terminal, wait for a few lines to appear. Little waiting. Okay, should be ready. It runs in the browser. For me, localhost. It is first I clear the state, so I fresh game state. Okay, I'm the guy in the middle. What do I play? Tamer still. Go white. First I choose a class. I will play Tamer today. The sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they begin to attack me. The bar of my edge is my HP. It reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the starting point I died. The enemies get stronger the further away they are from the middle. I get, or my pet gets stronger the more enemies I killed. And now I play until I die or win. Comes the first boss. Me skill points. I take something. And okay, now my pets have abilities. Next boss. Okay, that now what upgrades do I take? Victory. Fire. Range or slow? I think currently range is the best. Very hungry. To feed him more. Okay. By Dasher. I hope he comes back. Next boss. Oh, less is good, but another factory. I take it. I won't take root. Eat less is very much better than very slow. Take more range. It's a lot better. I think I can pull him. I can. Have to be more careful. No, this one. Duplicate. This damage taken. Slow, loves food. Loves food is not good. Explode. Let's explode. Be careful. Okay, do I take next? Split I do not have yet. Hangi I do not want. One is good. Range was slow. I think slow is good in this case. King area inside. Niche him. I can run in. Come in. Feed them all. Okay. 2. And this might be. Didn't pay attention. What? Okay. Just have to dodge and hope my pets do the rest. Hope this corner is. Okay, I won. Perfect. It. This I have a tamer done. Test long tamer. my damage meter for once. Flight split. The dasher did the most. Because the damage taken increased. So of course. Green dash. Fire line does 53. 28, would it be 8 million? So bit behind Boes. Black melee, green melee, what was their levels? Okay, Boes had the highest level. Painter was just 6170. So melee damage makes sense, I would say. Of course, the damage taken goes to all damage, so the most valuable. Okay, what do I work on today? Game task, increase version. G8 today. Next, how to do damage. Okay, I working on the. I have for some reason extreme slowdown. Somewhere system related, so not my game. Music sheet. I can place notes. Wait, maybe I should save the settings. And now can make a song, but okay, this is now I need to do damage, and I think the simplest one is use explode. Each node does an explosion random location random enemy location in range. Damage and size dependent on node frequency, let's say frequency. Ability has a DPS value which and time till last node, let's call it. And with this I can calculate. Let's just do this for now. I have ability music sheet. I need a damage per second value. Also, how did leveling work? Did they have it by default? Level is something base has, okay. So I just, is damage part of? Okay, let's call it damage per second number. So I have a damage per second value of, say, 100. And I have somewhere some set ability to level value. I would say music sheet, damage per second, node times level, something like this. Let's think. Do I have some damage values? Do I have time to last node? Last node play tick. No, this is not quite. This is the time, the last tick basically. I have to change it. Rename. Last play tick, let's call it, and I have last node time. Or tick. I'm currently unsure. Maybe tick I need to change someday. Last node tick. Last played node tick. Maybe this is understandable. This can be nothing. No, it can be undefined. Tick. So this is a delayed played node. I'm not interested in the delayed. Tick. This last tick is correct. So I need now to check for the real play time. Basically the same. Just not the delayed tick, but the node tick. No? Delayed, not tick. What? Take it away for a moment. Node tick. Node tick. This is a non-delayed version. Is correct. Current tick. Is module. The node tick. Here is where I would let's call it execute node or something, or do the damage better set. So here I also need to set last played node tick would be I need the time. Current tick. Current tick is it correct? No, it's not correct. Ticks, I actually have to take the game state time, I guess. So to rename it this time. Split node time. Let's think. If Did not play a note yet. I need a maximum. How do I do it? I have a music note. Do I have it near? No. This is in sound. Do a function. Execute music note damage. Something. This wording. I will need my ability owner and game. Ability I can change to music sheet. Music sheet game. So now, no. This is already a note. I have to put it in. Note. I cannot do it this way. Because I need to know how many notes I play in this tick. So I have to gather them. Const notes this tick notes damage for tick notes damage notes damage tick. Let's take it now. Music note array and it starts empty. I gather them. In the note. So I move here. My notes. I push them in because they need to tick now. Then I do the execute. I put in the notes damage tick. Owner. Music sheet. Game. This will be the last line. We need to check const damage. Damage. No. First I need to check if nodes point length bigger 0. No. So I return. It's 0, I return. After this I have to check if I have a last. No. What do I do? I couldn't set it. Let damage. Let's start with 0. So I want to set it if I do not have a last plate time, so this is undefined. Then damage will be equal. I've not played a node yet. No, it's no. IT music sheet. Damage per second. Let's do it this way. Doesn't matter how long it was, it will deal damage. Now else I have a time. I need past time is have game state time minus last node played. And then I have this damage per second. These are milliseconds. Cast for seconds and multiply by time. Give me the damage. This damage per node. Or I can do it after it, so once damage node is equals damage divided by length. And now I loop for now add node of nodes. I need this is similar to lightning strikes. Ability. Determine characters in distance. Might be a good start. For number strikes, I have number nodes. Random position, creatability explode. Okay. I have something similar. Let's copy this. I think I'm about here. And let's first start outside this loop. Have character index. Do not know. Action player. I also have to think about first I determine characters in distance, and this is a distance. I have some radius. I do just 400. Get some characters. Or let's do 320. I have characters. I have number strikes. I have number nodes, I would say. So this is in. Do I have a random position? Character length, bigger character index. Character index. remember. Didn't want to strike the same enemy twice. They can be dead. Determine characters in distance. Marks this not faction. I consider dead characters too. Okay, so this is why I filter. I loop over characters. Multiple times. They're not determine alive characters in distance. Determine live. Seems like something which would help. I check each, so adding a live check. Is that difficult? Only alive. Holz. I can edit keys and distance, chunks, chunk undefined character for every character. It's only alive and characters is dead. No. Characters J is dead. I continue. Confused that I did not put it in earlier. Same for bosses. Players. Okay, just to check. Did a lot of points in time. Set even dead enemies. Interesting. Target distance. It's target characters. I check here for is dead. I continue. Target character. The all checks I can now put into the function here. Interesting. Closest. Closest character. but you also would just be interested in living things. Characters in distance. Is it player character? Determined closest character. Closest alive? Yes. Okay. All my checks, I feel like I can. Characters. Yeah, I check is dead. Let's take it as a task. Function. Move everywhere else. I don't need to do it necessarily. Already reduced the amount of characters, so this will be good enough, I would say. It's just a very minor optimization. Don't care. Okay. So back to music sheet. I now can check for is dead. Only alive is 2, so I no longer get dead stuff. Technically don't need to check here, but it doesn't matter. Let's try it. So I have characters in distance. I now need a position where I strike. If I have characters in distance, I just the random position to one of these. If I do not have a random character, I set it spawn radius times 2. Negative, okay. 200. I can remove this. 100. Let's take it for now. Right, 100, 400, 200, 200. Now I have a position. Now I need to create and push it. If character. Something confuses me. Oh, this is if. Character length. I think these should be outside the first if. Window position exists yet outside. This is not the case. I get a window position. And now I should have a position, and I get ability explode. And now I need image per node. I have TID, strike delay. I remember. Not important. And I push it. Okay, I think strike radius. I could also make a strike radius, explode size, let's call it, is mass maximum. So I want, say, 20 is smallest. And the higher the damage, it's 100 per second, 200, 500. 100 now. Okay, I will think about something later. Let's take just 50 and see. Position. There was a 160, 160, 120. Am I a leveling ability? Don't see my level. Okay. I don't think I get stronger. Kill him. Don't hit the small ones. Okay. Okay. Why? Ah! He is now the musician. He plays. Still, I kick out. Can I still change it? Okay. This is a lot of stuff open. I think it works like I want, but he doesn't get levels. Why doesn't he get levels? It's not a leveling ability. Do I set it when I create it? No. I have some tools. Is leveling, yes, great ability has it. So did I set it true? Music sheet. Test the true for leveling. Get boss skill points and should set its level. Did I have anything in here? Okay, I think the sound console logs I can remove. Have them here. Let's put it here. I did not level. At least it did not feel like I leveled. I take the musician. Have ability music sheet. Take sniper for example. Have level and XP. Same for ball. Only level, okay, it doesn't seem to be specific. I have 8 more infos. Ability upgrade. Okay, no. Let's see the sniper ability as an example. Ability starts base damage range. Yeah. This part, but is also the let's do it this way. Clear it. Okay, now it's gone. Have experience. 3. Level 3. Let's do it differently. I want 1. T40. Level 2. 80. It grows. 120. How loud is it compared to me? Okay, I think I make it a bit quieter. It's not random that I choose. Okay, I killed the boss. I think my sound is annoying. Maybe. Is it? Is it louder? It's still louder than EFF a lot. Okay, I'm not meant to make music. Level 14. I feel like the damage is a bit low. Let's increase damage 200. So this is doubled. How do I make decent music? I think I have a lot. Also, I think it's louder the more notes I play together. Five. Does it appear louder? There are some incorrect placements. Something at the top was removed. Let's. I press here. Okay. Press here. 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 This is strange. This goes up here. Hey, how do I do this? 2. Finds, but it's always no only modification. Okay, let's it's definitely louder, so I need to change the volume if I play more. Maybe. But let's first to cast note. I find the index. Music note check. Yes, I do not check for not this and point octave. Do I have the octave? I have the music note. So the octave should be set. I would guess. Set the octave in here. Yeah. Okay, this was a bug. Next. So I build them up. on the lines. Okay. How loud is it? Probably checking on stream someday. They have to do different damage values. 220. Okay, yes, it works. But let's see, I can basically make one node. Now I wait for ever. Can pull enemies together. Okay. Now I play one node. If I'm 6,000 damage. I have to randomize the enemy's hit more. Yeah, execute. Explode size, I did not even set it. This is not randomized. I get the characters. I loop over them. I take character index. I don't think I want this version here. If character index. If character length bigger than 0, I just want one position. Don't need a break, I don't need a loop. I just need a random character index. That const char index is no next random state random seed times character length characters length Floyd. I have my character index now. I duplicate the random position. I do characters splice it out because I create my own array. I have the index and 1. This should be valid. Uh, I'm unsure. I think I need and it's playable. It this is hard to see, but so it is. See, I could still play my. Still more. I have to think. Do I want more different sounds? Do I want to make something decent sounding? I put volume in here. Could put the volume in here. Could also begin to make the menu into more parts. I can do damage. This is a good. I don't like the sound I make. It is a skill issue, maybe. Also, should I only paint this? Should I only paint this? Should others see what I paint? Should others see my music sheet? Let's try out for a moment. Multiplayer 1, multiplayer 2. I check. I'm interested what happens if I play a note. Is this delayed? I have the delay of 250. Okay. Okay. But I have the ability and he does see it. I could now do my same. Now we could do 2 lines. Was this? I care that I would make it more transparent if it's not mine. disconnect again. I'm still unsure. Let's for now make transparency onto it. Where do I paint it? Paint nodes. C set an alpha. No. Yeah, I set an alpha. This is correct. Let's do it this way. I can say if myself? No, how did I call it? Find my character? This is DT owner. ETX global alpha equals 0.5. And at the end I can put it back to 1. It failed. No, if it's not me, I should do something differently. No, I want to see the boss version. It doesn't matter yet. I take musician. I don't know if I reload it. So now it's here. Now it's transparent. But he shouldn't be doing damage. To kick him. Shouldn't I? What happened? I'm confused. Where's this building here? Should not be based on what I see. Okay, I have to think. Is the musician missing? Or note types? Maybe. Volume? Let's put a volume in. I think this is the most. HTML slider? Doesn't this exist? Range. Try it. Range ID name minmax. Okay, this is perfect, probably. But now let's do it. Skill point, I want it's similar to this. I put it to the top. No, to the second place. And the slider. And I get based on this. I search for setting. I have volume. I have range. I think I start with 50. I have min 0. Max is it 1? Is it 1 to 100 or? I'm unsure. Where can I see it? I have the volume node somewhere. Sound volume. How much? To what value did I set it? No. Volume gain, set value at time 0. So it's already scaled down to 0.1. So it's between 0 and 1, and I start with 0.1. Do I also have something like steps? If I have it, it's sound. If F game sound and game point sound point volume. How do I set it? I forgot. Set value at time. Volume I lost when game sound. I want this. See what happens. It's already. What? No? Then let's change it up. Then we make. I divide by 100. Wasn't my intention, but then we do this. 100 values, I take 10. Let's see. Musician. I change it mid, it's a tune flickering or something. Okay. Doesn't save these values. Let's save some settings. Imta. Save certain settings. Somehow I'm confused how to write it. Certain. It's volume and it's sound delay. Or how I called it. Sound delay. Let's put it. Also make more settings categories. I think this is my next task. And this should display a value, shouldn't it? This is not percent. Can I make it display the value? It's also not. In max table. Okay. Using labels. But no. HTML range input display value. Easy. On input, output. Okay, this sounds simple. Let's try this out. Let's copy it here. I have min max, I have value, and I have range. I have in it missing the code. Put it in. I missed the. Here it is. And I now need next sibling. The label is the next sibling. I could put an output in here. Let's see what happens. 10. Thank you. I have an N too much. Volume. Did I write it wrong multiple times? Yes. More. Okay. I wanted to put the sound delay up here. Delay. Okay. Let's see, can I use ChatGPT for multiple? Can you give me CS? Apple tabs. Inputs. Can you give me the CSS? Let's check box line TC. Do I do double points? I have no idea. Only one. Switching one. Only one. Switching. Let's see what she comes up with. Wait. Video buttons and content is different. And the label. I don't know if he understood me correctly. Where's the CSS? Here. Tab display none, tab content display none. Tab label. Inline block pointer. Menu. Input. This is checked. I think he didn't understand me correctly. Tab content. I have a menu, and I have tab contents, and there I have my 3 inputs. Radio. Currently don't know what radio type is. HTML input radio. It's select. Is the radio type hidden? Tab input. Display none. Okay, it's hidden, so it's clickable probably. Only one is checked. I'm confused from the coloring. Okay, but it seems to be right. It's more or less what I want, I guess. Now let's see. My index file. I have some style sheet file. So here I have my menu. I want different tabs. ID for tab 1, okay. Tab 1, let's call it settings, debug, tests. So I have 3. The first checked. Now I need contents. Oops. Just take one. Let's put them in. See, formatted, yes. Tab content, tab content, tab content 1. So this is settings and ID. Is there some ID? Let's call this settings and this menu. Do I use menu somewhere? No. Debug menu is also not correct. Debug. This here. Settings, debug, and I need the third one for testing. Testing. Oh, let's call it test. Settings, debug, test. Now I need the CSS. Put it here. Basic style for the tabs, styling for the label, add radio buttons. Let's remove it all. No. Let's see, for now I don't know what I expect yet. I don't see anything because my clicking doesn't do anything anymore. Button. Settings. It's now menu. So far, so good. What is missing? ChatGPT. I have. This is JavaScript. It's no JavaScript. How do I handle clicks? Yes, exactly. What triggers this? Don't see any code for it. Current. This last part should do it. Tab input checked. How are they connected? Class tab input checked is here. Don't know this. I have a display block. Only I display all. Tab content. Tab 10. I have here tab 1 content. No, tab 1 content, tab content, tab. I have tab content none. Shouldn't see them yet. Tab content, tab content display none. I need spaces. He moved the spaces, so I don't think I need them. Let's see if I do this again, he removes the space. Let's see again. What's happening here? I have tab switch is correct. Then I have a lake. They have display block. They all are shown, but they are not selected. Only this is checked. What does he know? Or is this made up? Currently for me it feels made up because I do not know how it's connected. I do not know what this symbol does. Is it called tilde or is it still okay? CSS till, what is it? Does separates two segments on the selector. A, B. Which is the fourth and fifth item, because they are elements, siblings of A. Okay, understood. Checked tab content. But all are siblings of the checked one. So the ChatGPT code is incorrect. How should it be separated? Tab input checked. Tab input. Checked. Here is one checked. And now it's tab content. They're all tab content, so they will all be displayed. Do I have to put each in their own tab? Each in their own div? This to work? Let's Google HTML as menu with multiple tabs. Let's see. This is what I want, and he does it. I have 3 divs. I have JavaScript in it. Is there also one without JavaScript? Could just use this. So ChatGPT failed. But I learned something. Also, I have. Why not? It's interesting because this no longer equals, can scroll down. Also search again. No. Multiple without JavaScript. Is something not a dot drop down. Make down. By drop down. multiple tabs. CSS tabs. Sounds like what I want, but here I have them. Okay, and it's script can be. I close it. Okay, now I have it. This is a comment. I have tabs. I have unordered list, list item. In each list item I have the weight button plus the label plus the content. And then I probably have the same as what ChatGPT suggested in a Z index. Don't see it. Tabs, input. Oh, I don't need, I just need it's checked. Tab. Still don't see it. Class content. For tab 3. Yes, transitions, I don't care. So I have 4 tabs. Okay, a tab, input radio. I don't know why these are here, but let's ignore tabs. Display block. No padding, no margin. Pull. Content. Index 0. Display none. Okay. That index is I hide it. What pulls it up? That index 1. Tabs, tab, checked. Here's a checked. And tab content. Still missing some information, I guess, or some understanding. Name tabs. Is the name tabs what connects them? Yes. Now I break it. Okay, then I think I have understood it. I have to order. I have need a div around it, so need to put it in, and then I need let's call it let's call it just a tab, and this is a tab content. This is one thing. I don't know if this will work, but let's see. So that. So I have my name tabs. This relates them, so only one can then be checked. I have it again. I have the menu. Say no all hidden? Probably. Remove the tablets, remove this and see. Let's do this one. Only settings is visible. No debug is down here. Settings debug test, okay. So this should be in the top, but have unordered list and lists have this not for me. I don't know if I need it. Check this again, so I have yes, class tab and class content, and tabs as overlaying. This is, I hope, not relevant for me. Tabs tab is so tabs tab input is somehow top left. Okay, but let's take this, the base, everything. I remove what ChatGPT gave me more than I thought. So I don't want margin padding in here, but I think I can put it in here. Case normal is also not from my part. Tabs tab. Yes, tabs tab. Let's go back to index. I have here I have, or should I do another one? Tabs tab and content. Tab tab. content, tab. I have tabs. This doesn't matter. Last tab input. Does input have something? They do not have a class. Okay. Now let's see if I don't. It should. I don't expect it to work yet. Interesting. Absolutely not working yet. No, everything is in one, so I have. Okay, this set index currently. So some other one is use display none. Does someone override my display? Yes, display block. Because tabs. Tab. Yeah, this one overrides mine. Does it? I guess. Let's see what happens if I take this away. It's a little bit. Is the problem that I'm not pointing in a list? I have the button, I have the menu. The menu is no longer where I want it to be. Because I have the tabs. Let's remove this and see. No, it's in my corner. It does not react to selections. Checked plus label. Tab content. ID tab content. Okay. This is different to me. The tab content 1. Do I need to go on this? Understand. Something changes. It's I currently push everything in where? In ID settings. So I have two ID settings. This is not good. Do I remove this? Let's call it menu settings, tab settings, tab settings, tab debug, tab test. Now it could be, no, this is also broken. Settings, debug, test. I have more IDs duplicated, I hope not. So it's working. Although this is taking far too much space. The heading. It's can change this and see. Why does it take so much space? Here's the content. Here I have it's color 4 for now. This is the margin. But the margin is a base margin. Okay, and it's P. So paragraph. Let's see if this is enough for me, but I think it's still a margin of 16. This is also content has no margin. It has a padding of 25. So I want to take away content, tabs content. Here it is. Go away. Perfect. This is fine. Settings, debug, test. Here it's cut off because it doesn't. Is this going over? Doesn't matter. Why is it not? Okay, it starts here. This is far too wide. This is input. It's short term. First is sound delay. Do I have a style? Yes, width 50. It's 50. It's not. Why? Invalid property value. Okay. This is correct. Is there some width? Ah, I have 50 pixels. Ah, okay. I missed it. Did I remove it accidentally? Where was the other one? The other one was player global alpha. Pixel. Player global alpha multiplayer. Totally understandable. Volume. Sound delay. Okay, now let's order them. Settings. Settings. No, add settings. Don't in stuff game. Game. Just want these two to be in here. Bit function add debug function debug game. This is. Did I not take the sound delay? What did I take? Set version number. This is here. Debug. Settings at debug. Local storage, this could be settings. Global alpha is also a setting. Give money button is here. Test we play, copy last we play, given state from file button, not test. Test music button. Test music button. What is the test music button? I think I can even remove it now. A second, I have play music sheet 1. Music sheet 1 can be removed. Not here. Sound. Music sheet 1. Octa. Used, okay. Sound plate music 1. Music sheet loop. Do not use it. Hopefully it's cleared up. Now test music button should no longer exist. Input also not. Function not tests. I have the test button. Add replay. Play. Test game test game. Or test state button. Did I take this with me? Okay, now I need to So currently everything is in settings. I go to test button, settings. This is tab category name, no, not string. Settings button, add button. Button to tab. Now I got a lot of errors, which is correct. Can just top down probably. Start C. This is settings. This is debug. Tank B button is debug. Test button is test. Last replay button is test. Last replay button is test. And state to file button is test, I would say. Test state button, test SP button, debug. Also be considered test, but let's split it. Give debug. To tab. Are they all gone? Now I have a lot of settings. They're no longer correct. This will be menu. This does not exist. And it could be seen different ways. Settings at settings checkbox. This. They all use it. Okay, I take time measures, paint, this wait, save states. Now I will sim to debug. Now I have settings, it's slider, global alpha. Okay. Settings volume, sound delay, global multiple. Let's move this button away, say. The local storage. To tab. Clear local storage. Clear game data. data. Page reload required. Something like this. Let's move it up. Test this way. Can I space this down? I go to add button tab. Button name. Is it? Why don't I see the local storage? Because I searched something different here. Okay. Button name. I have button click. Button class style. It's style. JavaScript. HTML element set style. Style. Then I do something. Okay. Button style. Heading. Can I top or something? No, padding is a string, it seems. So it will be padding top, padding top, padding top. Choose this. Have padding top. 10 pixel. No, not padding, margin. Margin. 10 pixel. Something like this. And G pixel. Okay. This would be what I want. Margin. Top, here I have it. G pixel. Correct. Test replace. Sweep. Also to activate save states. This is more like states test. Let's push activate save states over there. Okay, this one. Activate save states. I want to put 2 tests. So to mean to put in the tabs. Tab category string. It's considered debug by default. Why is here for debug? This does not make sense for me. Do I do it for the name or for the checkbox? Both is the same. Guess this is correct. I will see. Oh, I will put this into test. Settings debug. Save states. Have a volume. Okay. Plus. Maybe the wording is not perfect, but let's. This is cut off. I don't care. Move the whole box a bit to the left. See if stuff still works. Disable damage numbers. This is also settings. Is it? Disable damage numbers. Let's put it here. And it's settings. Damage number. Close king, close head. These are fine. Damage number. D, F. Them. Let's see, I have my music. Still don't. Oh, I put a note there. Sometimes it's slowing down for an unknown reason. Can I... The global alpha is not on the music sheet. I should do it. Then I'm done for today, I guess. T. It's... Yeah, this one. Ability music sheet, faction player. It doesn't have a faction. ability owner faction then. Let's multiply it. In the end I put it back to 1, okay. So I can then let's play this round and see. So damage. Okay, he dies. This was a one. Can I see enemy? 10,000 HP. $17. uh, 27,000. Okay, now I died. Now he's in my base playing this music. Can I kick him out? And okay, let's clear game data page reload. Clear game data. I feel like this is not clear enough. Clear all data. Delete. Delete all data. Okay. And let's see. I can go testing and say test replace. Until today I did not do a new short builder. This is my new one from today. Looks good. I then have only the. Let's make the short builder. Start new. Take builder. Did not upgrade. Let's do one more. Towers would have an effect. I get one more skill point. Let's take it. Test. Last replay. Short builder. Short builder. This should also be new. It's come to an end. I have make more setting categories. I did this. Didn't push in between. Split settings categories. Ability, music, sheet, damage, something else. New test ones. Okay, let's see. New test, replace, commit. I just test it so I can push. I have saved certain settings. Volume, sound delay, global alpha, or I would say save settings, just save all settings. This is the next task. I sorts and research. I have music ability. I have this. I didn't play the size. Am I not good music, or does she need more options? Questions. My thoughts currently does not feel yet. Does the music I okay, no, it's not feel good yet. The music I made. Of course, I need upgrades. How to do damage in. This is what I did. So next are more music note types and grades would be both in one. Grades, damage. Let's call it sound related. So more music variety and okay, I have stuff for next time. Everything, then I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.